reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 1 p.m. Gainesville, cloudy, 73. Dew point 70. Relative humidity 92%. Wind south at
thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, western Carter County in southern Oklahoma, western Murray County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, until 2 p.m. At 1:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles northwest of Red Lake City to near Grady, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The strongest storms were moving from eastern Jefferson County into western Carter County. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts, and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Pauls Valley, Davis, Lone Grove, Healdton, Wynwood, Wilson, Stratford, Ringling, Springer, Elmer City, Velma, Paoli, Katy, Foster, Adams, Loco, Red Oak City, Oscar, Antioch, and Milo. Remain alert for a possible tornado.